people, what's up? Howdy, howdy. Today, look at this. We're going to be checking out a rower. It's the R1 Plus T from YESOUL. Alrighty then, on the box, it's showing us all the goodies. So we have a 21.5-inch 1080p screen, free and unlimited streaming to that screen, all-encompassing sound, and high-intensity and efficient training. Shipping, by the way, was FedEx ground, fast and efficient, weight on it, ship weight, 68 pounds. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Make sure to check out YESOULFitness.com too to pick up your own rower. And they have other exercise equipment as well. We're going to have a code for you too, so make sure to check in the description and the comments below. Voila! Just like that, we have everything unpackaged. We have a nice tidy little pile of parts and situations. But I tell you what, we're going to make a rower out of all of this. So we have the screen and the speaker packed separately. Everything was packed very, very nicely. They definitely took good care of it, so it should arrive to you no problem, even if it's kind of tossed around a little bit in the FedEx truck, eh? All right, let's go ahead and get to some assembly. We have the instruction manual right down there. Before you, we have the unit all assembled, as you can see. So I'll run through it a little bit. So essentially we had our main component, our main body right here. So really what we had to do was we had to slide in this piece, which was fairly easy, and then just connect in it, screwing it down, unscrew that, and then kind of pull out that bolt. We'll show you later to raise the whole situation, store it a little bit easier. Next up, we had to put on the feet, put on like our little rowing surface here, and then underneath we had to attach some foam blocks to stop it. Next up, we did our feet area. So we have like our footrests, and those are resting on top of a pole, which we kind of slid through. And then we have our feet rests right here. See them right there at the bottom of that pole right there. And then that kind of keeps those feety rests there. The rower portion here was already pre-assembled, and then we just had to do the screen itself. So for the screen, it was just basically attaching the monitor and the speaker, kind of clicks in place. Then we put it on that bracket to secure it. And of course, then we just connected everything, Look at that. Connections? Yes. So really, all in all, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes or so. A lot of it was just getting used to what the parts were and obviously figuring out where they went. Directions came in pretty handy, though. Pacow. All right, so Jenny's going to capture the moment here. I'm going to be doing some workout with the YESOUL rower. So first things first, going to be streaming. Found a dude on YouTube, going to stream him. He seems like a pretty serious rower, and he's going to take us through a workout. So pretty cool. You can stream YouTube, you can stream Peloton apps, you can stream like anything essentially to this sucker. Nice monitor.
Rowing machine to
As you can see, you can easily stream YouTube, and the screen turns as well, which is awesome. But we're going to go ahead and turn this back for Patrick.
Yeah! And then we have volume right here. So we can really adjust that volume quite a bit.
50% max.
All right, I got to warm up here.
At 20 strokes per minute.
My bro is showing me how to do this.
And this is going to warm us up for intervals of 1 minute on, 1 minute off.
Working
We're
out.
going to climb our way up. We're going to do 5 of them.
For the health.
Minute on is going to be at 22 strokes per minute.
Form's probably not perfect, so just bear with me, people.
The fourth at 28. And the last one at 30 strokes per minute. We're going to use these 2 minutes to get our body nice and warm.
Nice
Make sure
and
we're locking
warm.
in the rowing fundamentals.
It's really awesome that YESOUL gives you the opportunity to stream from their app, from Peloton app, from YouTube. You can even watch TV on here. Whatever you want to do to motivate you to get your workout in.
Another minute 10. And we're going to go right into the intervals. Because sure, you can set your monitors and track everything. But if we want to get better at rowing, we just got to do the work.
Got to do the work.
Excuse holding us back. So we're just gonna row this thing. About 45 more seconds.
All right, folks, now we switched it, and instead of having some workout videos, we got our boy Trenton the Sip here riding some bikes. You see that? So look at that. Instead of workout videos, now we're watching my boy Trenton the Sip testing out some e-bikes in Mississippi. And I can sit here and row right along with him. Look at that. Looks like we're going down some country roads. Wonder if Elvis ever walked down this sucker. You can think about things like that while you're rowing, watching some YouTube. Oh yeah. I do love how this screen turns. That's pretty awesome. Be able to use that on or off the rower. Watch out, Trent. There's cars coming, man. Gosh, what's this guy doing? Oh, he's got it. He's got it under control.
Up in the left-hand corner, whatever you're streaming, you're always going to have your stats. It's going to show you how long you've been rowing, and of course, all of the details about your row, how fast you're rowing.
Get those paddle strokes in there, the amount of power you're putting into that, your distance.
Fast forward a couple weeks, and we actually have relocated the rower down to our gym that we've been creating. So this is one of our main components in our gym. But I wanted to go over a few things with you that we may not have when we initially got this all assembled, tried it out, did those first few rows on it where our form was a little lackluster. So this has proven to be a really fun, entertaining way to work out. So of course, down in our gym, whether we're working out over here or on our rower, or even some floor exercises, some kettlebell, we can utilize this screen, which is really fun. It's kind of like having a built-in TV in your gym, because of course you can go ahead and connect to your phone. You can stream what you want. You can even stream music. We do have a speaker down here that we utilize to kind of pump some jams and whatnot. But this screen has proven to be really fun on the rower and come in handy to also stream some workouts for other equipment as well. So I wanted to go over a little bit of the tech aspect with you on this. Again, down below here, you do have the ability to go ahead and scan some QR codes to get some more information. This button right here,
Bluetooth mode,
will switch you between Bluetooth mode
audio
and
mode,
just using this screen as your audio. So of course you have your stats right here. So if you don't connect anything, you're gonna see your stats. So let's just go ahead and do a quick one-handed row so you can kind of see how that works. It's gonna give you your paddling, your watts, of course how hard you're working, your calories, how many meters you've gone. All of those stats are gonna show there, and of course it's gonna give you your duration that you've been working out. So as you can see, we are connected here, so we can go ahead and utilize the YESOUL app, which is something I really wanted to show you all. So YESOUL has their own app, and it's super easy to go ahead and sign up. And then of course, we're gonna go ahead and connect our rowing machine. So of course, we're gonna go ahead, open our app, open our profile. You can put all of your information in here. You can even do your diet management. Our equipment, of course, is our R1 Plus T rower. So you just need to go ahead and connect your equipment. And it connected successfully. As you can see, it says connected up there. Shows that we're connected here. Now that we're connected, we can actually watch on here the same stats on there. So this is gonna go ahead and record your workouts, let you know, be like, oh, how long did I work out yesterday? It's gonna be right here in that app for you. And then of course, what intensity, how far did you go? On the YESOUL app, you can go ahead and do a number of different workouts. There is a subscription for you to go ahead and get started. They do give you some free trials. Otherwise, it looks like it is $80 a year to go ahead and have the support from YESOUL specifically. But there are a number of different workouts available on the YESOUL app. You can also utilize the free classes through Peloton app. You just need to sign up for that account so you can watch those videos. You also have the ability to go ahead and stream YouTube on here, which I find to be really, really awesome. Like I showed you previously, you are gonna have your stats up on the left-hand side of your screen. So if you know like kind of what you're going for, once you get comfortable with this, you can truly be working out and keep your paddling where you want it. You have your distance that you've gone, things like that to get a good workout. Otherwise, I have found that those Peloton videos, those are kind of entertaining as well. You can get a great workout, again, depending on the intensity you're looking for. And as a beginner with the rower, I truly have found it fun to kind of bounce between the different things, whether it's those YouTube videos or the Peloton freebies. At some point, maybe I'll subscribe to something, but right now, kind of just getting my feet wet with everything, I have really enjoyed checking out a variety of different things. And of course, then just free training as well. Coming down here and kind of just busting it until I get tired, taking a little break, listening to some great music. This has really, really been one of the best machines that we could have chosen because it is kind of that low impact where you're really getting a whole body workout and getting that cardio in while being able to watch something, have fun, and still work on improving your health. So one thing that we didn't show you is how to go ahead and fold this. So down below here, so you're gonna go ahead and loosen up this screw right here. It says, before tightening or loosening the knob, please lift this part. And then you have this little pin on the side right here that you're gonna go ahead and pull out. Then it's gonna kind of fold up. Let me show you. So remember to pull this lever out and then you're just gonna lift up. Be mindful of that seat, it's gonna come back down. That rubber stopper there is gonna stop that. And then it's gonna snap into place. So of course, always be cautious and careful when you have this up. But this definitely can save some space as this portion of the rower does take up quite a bit of room. Again, to go ahead and put it down, you're just gonna pull this pin and slowly lower it back down. And then it snaps back into place. And we have our screw to go ahead and screw back in to keep it secure. So again, you can see that it does take up quite a bit less floor space. As you can see, the rower did come all the way out to here. So now it does leave us quite a bit more room in our gym if we wanted to do some different things to have more floor space, do some different exercises. Little side angle here, you can see that we do have it folded and the footprint is relatively small. We could definitely go ahead and tuck this away in the corner. Super duper easy to go ahead and move this and fold it up, keep it compact out of the way, yet convenient to go ahead and use. If you'd like to check out some more information on the YESOUL R1M Plus T rower, go ahead and check that link down below in the description and of course in the comments for all of the details, specifications, and of course price. We have truly enjoyed using this rower so far. We hope that it provides years to come of exercise and of course being an integral part in our home gym. Thank you all so much for joining us today on this unboxing and taking a peek at this rower. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.